Always consult your doctor or healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have medical conditions or injuries. Are you tired of hiding your belly under baggy clothes? Do you feel frustrated when you look in the mirror and see stubborn fat that just won't go away no matter what you try? Well, today changes everything. In this video, I'm giving you a powerful full-body fat-burning workout you can do right at home, no equipment needed, designed not only to flatten your stomach but also to fire up your metabolism, sculpt lean muscle, and give you the confidence you've been waiting for. Stay with me until the very end, because I promise you this routine is more than just exercise. It's the transformation you've been searching for. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Flattening your stomach isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling unstoppable in your own skin. Think about it for a second. When you feel lighter, stronger, and more confident, everything in life changes. You walk into a room differently, you stand taller, you feel unstoppable. And yet so many of us get stuck in the cycle of fad diets, endless cardio, or gimmicky belly fat hacks that do nothing but leave us tired, hungry, and disappointed. I know that frustration, and I want to tell you something important: it's not your fault. Here's the truth: belly fat is stubborn because it's a mix of lifestyle, stress, hormones, and habits. But the good news? It can be melted away, not by starving yourself or spending hours on a treadmill, but by combining targeted core activation with full-body fat-burning moves. That's the secret formula you're about to unlock today. Now let's talk science for a second. Your body burns fat when you increase your heart rate, build lean muscle, and challenge multiple muscle groups at the same time. Spot reduction doesn't work, but full-body workouts that engage your abs along with big muscle groups like legs, glutes, and shoulders trigger your metabolism to skyrocket. That's exactly why this workout is designed the way it is. Every exercise will hit your core, but it'll also recruit other major muscles so you burn more calories in less time. And here's another powerful thing: consistency beats perfection. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to show up. Imagine yourself 30 days from now waking up slipping on your favorite outfit and realizing it fits looser around your waist. Imagine feeling your energy levels soar because your body is finally working with you, not against you. That's what this workout promises if you commit and stay consistent. Now here's how I want you to approach this session. Stay with me until the very end, because each move builds on the last, creating a fat-burning effect that compounds. Don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll give you modifications so anyone can follow along. And most importantly, remember this: every rep you do is not just burning calories, it's building a stronger, more confident version of you. By the end of this video, you won't just feel the burn in your abs, you'll feel the spark of a transformation that's been waiting inside you all along. So are you ready? Let's dive into our 10 powerful exercises to flatten your stomach fast and ignite full-body fat burn. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. We're starting with a classic jumping jacks, but with a twist. Most people think of this as just a cardio warm-up, but when you do it with intentional core engagement, it becomes a powerful fat-burning and ab-tightening move. Here's how to do it right. Stand tall with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump your feet apart while raising your arms overhead, then quickly return to the starting position. Sounds simple, right? But here's the secret: as you move, I want you to brace your abs like someone is about to tap your stomach. Pull your belly button inward and keep your core tight throughout the entire motion. Why is this important? Because instead of just flapping your arms and legs, you're now combining cardio coordination and abdominal activation all in one. This raises your heart rate, gets your blood pumping, and starts the fat-burning fire in your body, all while teaching your abs to stay engaged during dynamic movements. Now don't underestimate this move. Even 45 seconds of focused, explosive jumping jacks will leave you breathing harder and sweating, and that's exactly what we want at the start of this workout. This isn't just warming you up, it's priming your metabolism to burn more calories throughout every exercise we do next. Push yourself, stay light on your feet, and keep that core strong. This is how we turn a simple move into a stomach-flattening powerhouse. Exercise 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a true belly fat blaster. They combine cardio intensity with direct ab activation, making them one of the best moves for flattening your stomach fast. Start in a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders, body straight from head to heels. Engage your core and begin driving one knee at a time toward your chest, alternating quickly as if you're sprinting horizontally. The key here is not just speed, it's control. Don't let your hips bounce up and down. Keep your body steady, abs tight, and knees driving. Here's what makes mountain climbers powerful: they create a total body metabolic demand. You're holding your upper body strong, engaging your shoulders and arms while your legs are working non-stop. But most importantly, your abs are stabilizing you with every single rep. It's like doing a plank while sprinting, double the burn, double the results. Try pushing yourself for 30 to 45 seconds, rest for 15 seconds, then repeat. You'll feel your heart rate spike and your core light up. This is the exact type of movement that turns your body into a fat-burning furnace. And remember, the goal isn't perfection. If you slow down, that's okay. What matters is that you keep your form tight and your abs switched on. Every knee drive is you getting stronger, leaner, and closer to the flat stomach you want. Exercise 3. Squat to knee drive. Now we're combining lower body power with core strength in one move, the squat to knee drive. Here's how it works. Start with feet shoulder width apart. Sink down into a squat, chest lifted back, straight, weight in your heels. As you come up, explosively drive one knee toward your chest, engaging your abs as if you're trying to crunch at the top. Lower your leg back down, squat again, and switch to the other side. This exercise is genius because it activates large muscle groups like your glutes, hamstrings, and quads, which burn a ton of calories. At the same time, the knee drive engages your abs, especially the lower core, which is notoriously tough to target. It's like combining a fat-burning leg exercise with an ab workout in one fluid motion. To maximize results, don't just go through the motions. When you drive your knee up, tighten your abs like you're bracing for impact. Imagine your knee is breaking through an invisible barrier in front of you. That added intensity will torch calories and sculpt your midsection. Do this for 12 to 15 reps per side, and you'll feel your heart racing and your abs firing. This is functional fat-burning movements that challenge your whole body while zeroing in on your core. Exercise 4. Plank shoulder taps. The plank is a core classic, but today we're making it even more challenging with plank shoulder taps. Start in a high plank with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Now, without letting your hips rock side to side, lift one hand and tap the opposite shoulder, then return it to the floor. Alternate sides while keeping your body as stable as possible. The beauty of this move is the anti-rotation challenge. Your abs aren't just holding you up, they're fighting to keep your body steady as you lift each hand. That's how you build deep core strength and stability, which translates to a tighter, flatter stomach. To do this right, keep your feet slightly wider apart for balance, squeeze your glutes, and imagine pulling your belly button toward your spine. Go slow at first. This isn't about speed, it's about control. The less your hips wiggle, the harder your core is working. This move also builds shoulder and arm strength, giving you that toned, athletic look. Aim for 30 to 40 seconds of controlled taps, rest and repeat. By the end, your abs will be screaming, but that's the sound of progress. Exercise 5. Reverse lunges with twist. Lunges are a killer lower body move, but when you add a twist, they become a belly fat burner too. Step one leg back into a reverse lunge, keeping your chest lifted and front knee over your ankle. As you sink down, twist your torso toward the leg that's in front, engaging your obliques. Return to standing and switch legs. Why does this work so well? Because you're combining strength training, balance, and rotational core work all at once. The lunge engages your legs and glutes, which are big calorie-burning muscles, while the twist targets your waistline and helps carve out definition. Here's a pro tip: don't just swing your arms when you twist. Rotate from your core. Imagine wringing out your midsection like a towel. That's how you activate those deep abdominal muscles that flatten your stomach. Do 10 to 12 reps per side, moving with control. If you want to take it up a notch, hold a light weight or even a water bottle at your chest for extra resistance. This move not only burns fat and sculpts your core, but also improves balance and coordination. It's a powerful functional exercise that leaves you sweating and feeling stronger with every rep. Exercise 6. High knees. High knees are one of the simplest yet most effective moves for blasting fat and tightening your stomach. Stand tall and start jogging in place, but bring your knees up high, at least hip level with each step. Pump your arms for momentum, stay light on your feet, and keep your core tight. Here's the key: don't just let your knees bounce. Actively pull them up with your abs. Every lift should feel like a mini crunch. When you add that focus, high knees become not just cardio but a dynamic of exercise. This move skyrockets your heart rate, which means you're burning serious calories. It also engages your lower abs, which is where stubborn belly fat tends to linger. Even 30 seconds of intense high knees can leave you breathless, and that's exactly what ignites fat burn. Push yourself with intervals. Go hard for 20 seconds, rest for 10, then repeat. Think of it as sprinting in place. It's short, sharp, and incredibly effective. High knees are proof that sometimes the simplest moves are the most powerful. They require no equipment, just energy and determination, and they deliver fast results. Exercise 7. Side plank hip dips. This one's all about carving out your waistline. Side plank hip dips are a killer for your obliques, the muscles that give you that slim, toned look around your sides. Start in a side plank position with your elbow under your shoulder, legs stacked and hips lifted. Now lower your hips toward the floor with control, then lift them back up as high as you can. That's one rep. The magic here is in the up and down motion. You're not just holding the side plank, you're actively working the muscles around your waist. Each dip builds strength, stability, and endurance in your core. Keep your abs pulled tight and your body in a straight line. Don't let your shoulders hunch forward, stay open and strong. Aim for 10 to 12 dips on each side. If you're a beginner, bend your bottom knee for support. If you're advanced, try stacking your top leg in the air for extra intensity. By the end of this set, your obliques will be on fire, and that's exactly what we want. This is the type of focused ab work that tightens and tones your waistline while supporting your spine and posture. Exercise 8. Burpees. The move everyone loves to hate, burpees. And for good reason. They're brutal, but they deliver results like no other. Here's how to do them. Start standing tall. Squat down, place your hands on the floor, jump your feet back into a plank, then either do a push-up or hold briefly. Jump your feet back to your hands and explode upward into a jump. That's 1 rep. Burpees are a full-body explosion. They work your legs, arms, chest, and most importantly, your core. Every part of your body is engaged, and because they're so intense, your heart rate skyrockets, torching calories in record time. The secret to mastering burpees is pacing. You don't need to go as fast as possible from the start, you'll burn out. Instead, find a steady rhythm and focus on form. Keep your core tight as you plank, land softly on your feet, and jump with power. Do as many as you can in 30 to 45 seconds, then take a short rest. Even a few sets will leave you drenched in sweat and your abs burning. Burpees aren't just an exercise, they're a test of mental toughness. Every rep you complete is proof that you're stronger than the excuses trying to hold you back. Exercise 9. Flutter kicks. Now let's target those lower abs, the hardest area to flatten. Flutter kicks are simple, but they're deadly effective. Lie on your back with your hands under your hips for support. Lift your legs a few inches off the floor and start kicking them up and down in small controlled motions like you're swimming. The key here is to keep your lower back pressed into the mat and your abs engaged. Don't let your legs drop too low or your back will arch. Stay in control, keep the kicks small and breathe through it. Flutter kicks create constant tension in your core. Your abs never get a break, which is why they burn so quickly. This move especially targets the lower belly area, the spot so many people struggle with. Try 20 to 30 seconds to start, then build up to a full minute. If it gets too tough, take a short rest, then jump back in. This exercise may feel simple, but it's a powerhouse for tightening your stomach and building endurance in your abs. Stick with it and you'll feel your core getting stronger every session. Exercise 10. Bicycle crunches. We're finishing strong with bicycle crunches, but we're adding a twist, tempo control. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted. Bring one knee toward your chest while twisting your opposite elbow toward it, then switch sides in a pedaling motion. Here's the secret: don't rush. Instead of speeding through, slow it down. Hold each twist for a moment, squeeze your abs, and then switch. That pause makes your abs work twice as hard. Bicycle crunches are incredible because they hit your entire core: upper abs, lower abs, and obliques. They're like a one-stop shop for ab training. And by controlling the tempo, you eliminate momentum and force your muscles to do all the work. Aim for 12 to 15 slow, controlled reps on each side. You'll feel the deep burn that tells you your abs are fully engaged. This final move is your finisher, the grand finale that leaves your stomach muscles shaking and your confidence soaring. Push through, give it everything you've got, and know that with each rep you're building the foundation for a stronger, flatter stomach. You just crushed a full-body fat-burning workout designed to flatten your stomach and ignite your metabolism. Take a moment to appreciate what you just accomplished. Every drop of sweat, every burning rep, every moment you wanted to stop but kept going, that's progress. That's transformation in motion. Now here's the truth: results don't come from one workout. They come from consistency. And the fact that you stayed with me until the end of this video proves that you have what it takes. You're not just interested in change, you're committed to it. That's powerful. Think about how you feel right now: energized, accomplished, maybe a little tired but proud. Hold on to that feeling, because that's what will keep you coming back. Every time you push play, every time you show up for yourself, you're one step closer to the stomach and the body you've always wanted. And let's be clear, this journey isn't about perfection. You don't need to work out for hours or cut out every food you love. You just need to stay consistent with simple, effective workouts like this one and pair them with small, sustainable lifestyle choices. Drink more water, move your body daily, fuel yourself with foods that make you feel good, and most importantly, believe in yourself, because your mindset is the biggest key to success. Now here's what I want you to do. Commit to repeating this workout 3 to 4 times a week. Pair it with healthy movement on your off days like walking or stretching, and you'll be amazed at the difference you see in just a few weeks. Your waistline will tighten, your energy will skyrocket, and your confidence will grow. If you enjoyed this workout, do me a favor, hit that like button. It tells me you're part of this community and that you want more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new workout. This channel is here to guide you, motivate you, and remind you that you're capable of more than you think. Finally, share this video with a friend who's on the same journey. Accountability is powerful. When you support each other, success comes faster. Remember this: the flat stomach, the energy, the confidence you want, it's already inside you. Workouts like this are just the key to unlocking it. Stay consistent, keep pushing, and never give up on yourself. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next video.